welcome back to my channel. I'm Chelsea. If you're new here, I do lifestyle, beauty, fashion, self-care content. So if that sounds like your vibe, hopefully you guys like the vibe and you decide to subscribe. Ignore the clothes in the back. I am currently like cleaning up. I sat down to edit this video, but I realized, y'all, I did not make an intro. This video is all over the place. So I just wanted to let you guys know before we even get into it. So this may not be one of my best vlogs because I was traveling and I didn't realize how much I didn't vlog in Cancun. So I say that to say, please give me some grace on this vlog. If it's not the best, please like just give me a little grace, okay? But yeah, I love you guys and let's go ahead and hop right into the video. Hi guys, so it's later. My eyes are red. It's currently 2 in the morning, 2:43 in the morning, and I'm just now making it home from getting my hair braided. My appointment was at 6:15, but we really didn't get started till like 7:30. But I do love my braids, I will say that. So yeah, these are the braids that I got. I don't know why I'm talking so low, y'all. It's almost 3 o'clock in the morning. This is the hair. This is what it looks like behind. And yeah, I love it. I just wanted to check in. I'm not gonna make this too long. My eyes are so red. I haven't got my lashes done in forever, and this may be my last time. Because I told you guys this, that I feel like lashes are a service that you can do for yourself for sure, and it's not worth the money. No shade to the lash girl, but I don't really like them. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, good morning. It's currently 3 in the morning. 3 in the morning, girl, and I am on my way out the country. Okay, today is the start of a new vlog. This is the start of the travel vlog, so I hope you guys enjoy today's video. If you're new here and you like the vibes, don't forget to subscribe. I'm currently about to head to the airport. Today is the start of a travel vlog. You can see your girl got her island twist. Okay, I am packed up and ready to go. My suitcase, y'all. I don't know. I pray for the best. I just hope that everything is everything, because it's definitely heavy. I'll say that. I'm trying to get this little string off of these glasses because I don't know. For some reason, I wanted to wear glasses, and then y'all, my eyes. These are my eyes from the other day when I got my lashes done. Never again, y'all. I take everything I said back. That's why sometimes I don't record, especially if I'm getting like a new service from someone. But I definitely got a chemical burn on my eyes. I don't know if you guys can see. You can probably see if I go into my bathroom. So let me show you guys real quick. My lashes look like I did them myself. So yeah, when I get to the resort, I'm gonna go when I get settled in at the resort and stuff, I'm gonna fix this. But I'm thinking about wearing these little blue light glasses just to kind of help, because and it's making my sinuses act a mess. I hate to get on here and start complaining the first 5 minutes. So yeah, that's that. So if you're wondering why my eyes was red and swollen, that's why. I should have just did my clusters and saved my money, okay, like I tell y'all to do. Because yeah, and these are the glasses, but I don't know, they're just blue light glasses. I'm probably gonna keep these on like on my flight and stuff so that they won't look, my eyes won't look super crazy. Pretty much it, y'all. Just want to check in and start the vlog. We're gonna be on vacay. I feel like I always start my vlogs in the bathroom whenever I'm going on vacation, but just know a time shall be had. But yeah, you guys will see where I'm going once I get there. So I hope you guys enjoy today's travel vlog. If you like travel vlogs, this video is for you. If you don't, sis, I'm sorry, I did the best that I could. Last week I didn't do any filming, so you guys didn't get a video from me, but hopefully you guys enjoy this one. But yeah, let's go out of town.
Not the level. That's how I like. But it's been a few hours before my days.
Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like months.
Yeah. It feel lighter, cause yeah.
That might do it.
Yeah, it's lighter.
Yeah. We did it, y'all. We did it. It was definitely 62 pounds. And she just threw it on the thing and told me to have a good day. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. Okay, y'all. Talk to y'all once we make it.
But she don't love me, she too scary. My old is fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know what she too down.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
I just knew. I go, let's go.
Okay. That's why I went ahead and sat down. Thank you. Thank you would not need to be.
Blame it on my nail. I'm gonna just.
That's Gucci scoochie.
This one going faster than nigga.
It is.
Yeah, that one. Because it's not on TikTok. Like, it's not good. But I guess it don't matter.
At this time, go where I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
This girl got me making TikToks in the airport.
Yeah, we should have put it higher. Wait, what are we gonna do? Yeah. Oh, not to me.
The sky is too high. You might have this.
We gonna get in this.
For real, okay, I promise. This is the time. This is what we gonna do. We gonna do it. I don't care who's walking out of this side.
Okay.
Okay? I don't care who walking out. Who walking by. We just gonna do it. Okay, y'all, we're about to take off soon. I will let you know when it's ready.
We hit the club and it's cops full of jealous. We in the bag and we mugging the T.I. And I'm with a bad bitch and I got in the deal. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like Lindsay Lohan. She gets down just like Lindsay Lohan. Run the block, she's not holding shots. That bitch bad, watch her blow.
Hey guys, we're about to head to breakfast. Now we just got up to take pictures, and then after that we're gonna head to the pool. Hopefully that's a vibe, and then yeah, I don't know what's else left for the day, but it's definitely gonna be an enjoyable one since this is the last day of the trip. I just have something real chill on, nothing crazy. So yeah, I will see you guys at breakfast, and then after breakfast we'll catch up and we'll meet at the pool. At the pool, I'm about to get in because it's super hot. Sorry, y'all, I've been a terrible vlogger. Oh, please tell her that's not what we are. We are not. That is not it. We are.
Don't piss me off.
We are the babes. Okay, we've been the babes since day one.
Let's play with it.
We almost hit 30K.
Okay, yo. And then you know what come out 30K?
We almost hit
100K.
50.
Yeah.
Then we gonna get 100.
Yeah, I see. Yeah.
We might as well jump to 100. You know what I'm saying?
Might as well.
Pay me. Give me that plate.
Might as well. Cause what y'all waiting for?
But
Okay.
we're about to go get some drinks and get in the pool. So I'm probably gonna vlog on my phone as much as I can until then, cause yeah, my phone, my camera been crazy. Excuse me. Hey y'all, I'm about to get this drink.
No. Yeah, for her.
I'm gonna talk to y'all later because they're playing music. I want to start by saying thank you so much, Ernest, for sitting over my new chair. I'm so excited. I'm so thankful to have this chair in my room. It's just going to level up my space, as you can see. And one thing about it, this was so easy to put together, you guys. So if you're looking for a new accent chair to put into your space, definitely check them out. I have all the links down below along with my discount code if you want to save some money off on your next purchase. Thank you guys so much. And yeah, you guys just watch me put this together, and it's going to be super quick and easy, and anybody can do it because I'm not a fixer upper type of girl, so this is just what I needed.
Shawty said she want soft titty long. She wasn't on her own, now she want on my brother.
Today's Friday, May 31st. That's crazy. Where did the month go? Where did the month go? It's May 31st. I'm about to get ready to get to the gym. I have not been vlogging as much this week. I've been taking like the last 2 weeks off, kind of, in a sense. But I'm about to drink this little Premier protein drink. I don't really recommend these, but I do recommend these little packets. They also have like the big bags, and they only have, I think, 5 ingredients. Yeah. So it's protein powder, only 5 ingredients, and they're called the Truvani. They sent these to me in PR, but I was personally gonna buy them myself in the store. But yeah, so I highly recommend these if you're looking for like more of a clean source for protein. But I'm about to eat this, well, drink this, and then get ready for the gym. Yeah. That's pretty much it, you guys. It's gonna be a work day. This flavor is disgusting, but I'm gonna drink it though. I never debriefed and talked about my trip. The trip was nice. I really did enjoy myself. We went to Cancun and we stayed at the Dreams Jade Resort. I don't recommend. I would not recommend you like go to Dreams Jade. They just had too many things going on. However, we made the best of like the resort or whatever, but would I book it? No, like it just was not given. The rooms wasn't given. I would not recommend Dreams Jade. That was my first time in Cancun. So yeah, overall it was a good experience. And then my next trip is in October, but I'm trying to have like some mini trips in between then. Yeah, we do have some time, and then this next one I'm gonna try to prepare in advance, like clothes and stuff like that. I just feel like I really couldn't like put my best foot forward with my pics and stuff like that because I was rushing with my clothes and getting those, and it was just a lot. So next time it's just gonna be a lot more, you know, thought out. But yeah, so that's pretty much it, you guys. I just wanted to check in and say happy Friday. I hope your week has been treating you well, and if it hasn't, just remember that there's always a new day. It's always a new fresh start. So if today is just the day, but we ain't gonna acknowledge her, that's okay. You can always start tomorrow. But yeah, I feel like I need another vacation. I feel like this vacation was like a pre-vacation, and now I need a vacation where no filming, no work, no nothing. Why are you looking at me like that? You okay? You cool? Y'all, Marlo just standing here, just sitting there looking at me. That's pretty much it, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all when I get back because I'm talking about a bunch of nothing. Good morning, you guys. Happy June 1st. Today is June 1st. But you guys, it's currently 9:03. I'm about to get up and, well, not about to get up. I'm about to get out. I'm about to go to the gym this morning. So today is the start of me just like really focusing health journey. Not to say that I haven't, because I haven't been eating bad, but I really just want to get a lot more disciplined over the next few weeks. So yeah, happy June 1st. I hope you guys have an amazing Saturday. The time has flown by, y'all. It was just April and now it's June. It's crazy. It's like we're halfway through the year. I'm about to drink my protein drink. I was gonna make something, but no, I'm just gonna drink the protein drink that's already made. It's nasty, but I'm gonna drink it. And then we're gonna go to the gym. I'm gonna hit the Stairmaster and probably do a little bit of full body today, because yesterday I did lower body. So yeah, today we'll do a little bit of full body, and that's gonna be it. Take a break on Sunday. You guys will be seeing this video on Tuesday, and then I'll be back on my schedule. I know I had took like a week and a half, 2 weeks off, and that wasn't the plan, but just kind of how things worked out. But for June, listen, I'm hitting y'all with the content back to back, so I hope you guys stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you do like the vibes over here. And yeah, so this is the protein drink I showed you guys yesterday, but I'm just drinking this. This is the Premier Protein. Again, I'm not like a big Premier person, but it's here and I'm gonna drink. I had looked at the expiration date, y'all. I thought it said May 21st, 2024. It's 2025. Cheers to a successful, prosperous, abundant month. I'm wishing you guys a month full of healing, more money, more success, more abundance, and just a stress-free month. That's what I'm like wishing for everybody, wishing for myself, hoping for myself. And yeah, it's gonna be that because I'm claiming it. But yeah, this month I really want to focus on like kind of trimming down, and I'll be keeping you guys up with me like on my journey. If you guys want to see like a what I eat in a day, because this month I am going to be a little bit more disciplined with my eating, kind of cutting back on like the bread intake, because bread for me swells me up, y'all. I can't be around here eating no butter rolls and like pancakes and waffles and all that kind of stuff. I wish I could back in the day, yes, but these days it sticks to you, girl, and it's giving more like, I don't know. Are you done? He act like he don't hear me recording, making all this noise. Are you finished? So are you finished? He still has the cone. He still has the cone on. And quick update on Milo. If you hear that noise, like the tapping, it's because he has his cone on. I had took it off, but he still like licks a lot. And I think it's more of his food, but I just don't want like that skin thing to come back, because he had like a lot of like dead skin on his body. And so I had to buy him like these anti-fungal pads and all this kind of stuff. So I say that to say, I still have the cone on him because he keeps licking and I don't know what to do. I think he's allergic to the food. So comment below if you do have a Yorkie. Mine is a poodle mix, but comment if you do have a Yorkie or a poodle. What do you feed them? Like, I need to probably start cooking his meals again, because when I was cooking for him, he didn't have like skin problems. But I've been buying him fresh pet because it's easier. I can just pick it up, you know, and he can eat it. But I'm gonna have to start doing something else because yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's 9:08. I'm probably just gonna do an hour in the gym. I'm just working on discipline. I'm gonna be filming a video for you guys about discipline and motivation and stuff, because true enough, today I don't have the motivation. I wish that, hey, I'm talking. I really don't have like the motivation to go to the gym, but I'm like, it's June 1st and I really want to start my month off the right way. Like, I don't want to be eating like just bad stuff today just because it's Saturday, you know. And you guys, we're gonna pick back up on our walk, so I'm super excited about that. I was a walking girl, okay. At the beginning of the year, like January, February, March, I was walking like 10 to 14,000 steps a day, and I'm gonna start that back on Monday. I'm trying to take advantage of the braids because after this hairstyle I plan on getting my hair done. So how, I don't know. And I want to do a photo shoot. I know this is so random, but I want to do a 29 type of photo shoot, but I'm like, is it worth it? Because I'm like, it's not 30 and it's not like 25, but I've never, well, besides like for work is involved, I've never done like a photo shoot for myself. So I just kind of want to like do a photo shoot and maybe like a staycation or something relaxing but yet fun, because I'm a fun, relaxing type of girl. What are you doing? He's looking at me like, girl, why are you talking to me? The big baby, y'all. He's 4 years old, and if you're new here and this is your first time seeing Milo, he's a Yorkie Poo. He's 4 years old. That's pretty much it, okay. This boy is a survivor, okay. He's been through everything, literally. If y'all knew how much this dog done been through, but I swear he got like 9 lives because he's still here. That's pretty much it for us. I'll check back in with y'all later. It's gonna be a work day. This vlog may not be as interesting as I would want it to, but hopefully like over the next few weeks it gets to liven up, because I'm gonna be doing some things and stuff like that, so we'll be able to do some stuff. But this weekend we may be in the house, and I hope y'all don't mind that. Say we're gonna be in the house. Catch you guys after the gym. Okay guys, so we're back. That's gonna be the end of today's video. Like I said, I know the vlog was all over the place. We was in Cancun for like a minute, and then we came back to Atlanta. I literally was just talking the whole vlog, so I deeply apologize for the video, because I know it just was not like how we normally come. It's gonna get a lot better. So yeah, just stay tuned, and I love you guys. Thank you so much for all the support. We're on the road to 50K. We almost there, like we almost halfway there. If you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting for? Okay, go ahead and join the family, because we're growing. We're halfway to 50K, and I'm excited about it. So yeah, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.
First time in a long time, hurting deeply inside.